Welcome to the channel, friends. Today we are going to discuss if you have an old laptop and it is not that fast or it is not performing very well, so how to upgrade the laptop. Let's see today. I have this Asus laptop, model number A53S. So it have 4 GB of DDR3 RAM and 750 GB of hard disk. So it is a 10-year-old laptop, and let's see how it is taking a lot of time to boot. So let's turn on and check. It is taking a lot of time to connect to Wi-Fi also. Many apps are also taking a lot of time to load. So I thought to upgrade to a higher RAM and change HDD hard disk to a SSD. I got this two component from Amazon. This is a DDR3 4 GB RAM and this is a Crucial solid state drive SSD 240 GB. So plan is to install the operating system in this SSD so that the performance will be faster. So let's see now how we can install the RAM and SSD to the existing setup. You need this kind of screwdriver to open this. Let's remove the battery. So here you can see two slots are there for RAM and only one 4 GB RAM is connected. I'll connect this new 4 GB RAM in this slot. Place it. Okay. Now it's done, and this is where this hard disk is connected. Let's remove these screws first. There is a strip, you can pull it down left, so this will come out, and this is what is hard disk. And remove this hard disk, put it here. Okay. Same way, press it right. Back. Now it's ready. So let's turn on, friends. So you can clearly see how fast it's booting. Now after installing 4 more extra GB of memory card and upgrading from hard disk to SSD.